In this lab, we will continue with the bridges data. The KiwiRail underscore bridges underscore south underscore island dot CSV file. First, we import pandas as PD, and it's a CSV file, so we'll use the pandas to read the CSV file. So read data by passing the command bridges equal pandas dot read underscore CSV open bracket and then the name of the CSV file with the extension and close the bracket, and view data frame, that is by passing the command display open bracket bridges dot head open and close bracket, close the bracket, and the bridges contain FID column, bridge underscore num column, line underscore name, that is Stillwater, this is Gakawau lane, line, okay, bridge underscore NAM contains West Creek, Bridge 22, Bridge 23, Callaghan's Creek, and Bridge 25. Bridge underscore TYP. So these are the first few lines, first 5 rows of bridges data. So bridge underscore TYP is rail for the first 5 lines. ID underscore Maximo is all these IDs. Shape underscore length is all these values here, and latitude values are these, and longitude values are here, and TLA name is Gray District, and for the first 5 rows, and shape underscore alley underscore 1 is these values. Now if we want to know all the TLA name, then we pass the command and this, and we pass the command, let's create insert a cell and bridges, and the name of the column, which is TLA underscore name dot columns, dot unique values, open and close bracket. So spelling mistake. So TLA R. So the last 3 AMAE is the small letters. So here we are printing display. Okay, so it's Gray District, Malbara District, Kaikoura, Bula District, Westland District, Hurinui District, Waimakariri District, Christchurch City, Selwyn District, Ashburton District, Timaru District, Waimate District, Waitaki District, Dunedin City, Clutha District, Southland District, Gore District, Invercargill City, and yeah. So and when we plot these bridges by passing the command bridges.plot open and close bracket, we get this. So this which doesn't make sense at the moment, because this bridges data frame is just a data frame. It's not geodata frame. So that's why it's not plotting on the map. So next step, Let's display the first few lines of this bridges data. So this is what it is. And then we want to convert this to geodata frame. So create bridge point geometry based on the longitude and latitude columns, which appear to be WSG84 and in bracket EPSG equals 4326. Because when we look at the values of longitude and latitude, let's have a look at that. Bridges, double square bracket to display in data frame form, and we want longitude, comma, and we want latitude. So what we're doing over here, we are displaying longitude and latitude. So by looking at the longitude and latitude, it looks like it's using CRC with EPSG equal 4326. So to convert to geodata frame, we will pass the command gpd dot points underscore from underscore xy open bracket x equal bridges that is longitude column, comma, and y equal the latitude column. And when we print the bridges geometry, let's run that. So we need to pass the command import geopandas has gpd. So these are the geometry array. So now it's in geometry. The data frame has been converted to geodata frame. Now check the data information. So bridges.info open and close bracket. So we have 699 observations from 0 to 698, and there are 11 columns, FID, bridge number, line name, bridge name, bridge type, ID, maximum, shape, length, latitude, longitude, TLA name, shape, LA. So, and 60.2, more than that, is used for memory. Let's convert to, so what a geodata frame? So at the moment it is not geodata frame. Bridges geometry. So this is only the bridge point geometry based on, so we have created the geometry values in this one. We haven't converted the bridges data frame to geodata frame, and we will use this geometry to convert that bridges data frame to geodata frame. So let's do that. Convert to geodata frame by passing the command bridges equal gpd dot geodata frame open bracket bridges, comma, geometry equal bridges underscore geometry, the one we created, comma, we'll use CRS equal EPSG colon 4326, and we plot the bridges and we get this. Now for the consistency reason, we will change this CRS 4326. We will convert this to a CRS 2193. So let's do that by passing the command. So we will update the coordinate system here. So we'll pass the command bridges equal bridges dot to underscore CRS open bracket EPSG equal 2193 close the bracket and bridges dot plot, it plots this. So now the coordinate system is consistent with the other data frame coordinate system. Visual check background underscore map equal south underscore island dot plot, and we want the color equal light gray and background map. Okay, it's giving us error because South Island is not defined. So let's see that. We already created the South underscore island in the previous lab. Let's do that again. So here it is. It's created from MMI and the regions data. So let's run these again. So let's read the regions data and regions plot. And then MMI, let's read the file. And let's read regions. And South Island is all those are dissolved, all those rows dissolved using the egg function, aggregate function sum. This is the South Island plot. And this is the regions plot. And this is the South Island location South geometry plot. Okay, so we have done that. Now we'll get back to this one where South Island was not defined. So let's run that. So this now prints the South Island dot plot color equal gray, prints light gray, prints this. A visual check. So visual check. So South Island dot plot color equal light gray, and that's the background map. And then we will do bridges dot plot, and inside the bracket we will have this background underscore map as the axis, and on and then comma marker size equal 1. I will mark the bridges using the marker size. So we run that. So background map is this. Okay, so we can look at the South Island, and here is the South Island, and market size equal 1, and that shows the path of the bridges uh, which are um, uh, yeah, so the bridges are built in this path, the blue path. Alpine Fault was there. The bridges are built here for the city, for the Kiwi Rail. So the bridges are built for the Kiwi Rail here.